tests. Clutch kit installed, tuner installed. Decibel reading on it. We're enclosed, air's on. 20 miles an hour, 25, 30. 'em. Well, everybody, after 3 days of testing, I have all my numbers here. So I just came back from my final run with the slip-on pipe, with the Aftermarket Assassins Programmer Stage 2, the clutch kit, and my numbers are as follows. My decibel reading was between 90 to 96 at full throttle. My 0 to 50 was 13.5 seconds. Now that's with the new part that's coming out, which is a baffle. It drops by about 5 decibels. So if I was running the spark arrestor that comes with it, I'd be probably right around 100 to 101 at the max for the decibel reading. Again, to reiterate what it was in the beginning, stock and with just the flash, stock clutch, both of them, I was at 90 to 93 decibels. Stock, I ran 17.48 seconds. With the flash, I ran 15.41. When I did the flash and the clutch kit, I was at 69 decibels for my low and 85 for my high, which is pretty quiet. My 0 to 50 was 14.5 seconds. So again, 90 and 96 decibels was my quietest and highest for the full complete kit. So it's about 3 decibels louder than the stock pipe. So hopefully that will give you some thinking down the road, some calculations to play with and see if it's worth it for you. I like the sound. It sounds really awesome. I love the shifting. It is so easy to shift now. It's so smooth like butter, and the engagement is incredible. So I'm overall very happy with the kit. The next question is, do I keep the slip-on or do I go back to the stock pipe? So we'll see down the road. There are some more fun parts coming for this kit that Mike at Aftermarket Assassins is sending me to test out. So we'll see how that goes down the road. Any questions, you can give me a call, 815-321-3888, or send me an email to theatvsuperstore@gmail.com. We'll see you guys in the next video. Have a great day. Bye. Here we have the engine running so you can hear the pipe.